The last time you use may be the last time you use, and then your children will definitely not have their mother in their life. Where have you been?
Have I been? I've been in Bear County.
No, I mean, you haven't been doing your probation. Why not? What's been going on? 2022 CR 3998, State of Texas versus Jacqueline Wells. That party is announced for the record for the state.
For the state of Texas.
Defense.
Joseph Statesman for Ms. Wells.
And are you Ms. Wells? All right. And Mr. Statesman, when were you appointed to represent Ms. Wells?
I was appointed today. I explained that to my client that she had 10 days for me to prepare for any hearing. And we both agreed to waive that notice of appearance. Waive the 10 days notice.
All right. Ms. Wells, do you wish to continue? All right. And you understand that your attorney does have 10 days to prepare?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And knowing that, you wish to continue with the motion to revoke? All right. You need to speak up. All right. I'm showing you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Jacqueline N. Wells who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 3998 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, on July 7, 2022 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 4 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Jacqueline N. Wells, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of November and December 2022 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State waives all the violations.
Any objections?
None.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2? I'm sorry, number 4? Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for the motion to be granted and for revocation and for 10 months in the state jail facility.
All right, is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor, and we would ask that all her back time credit apply. She has 139 days credit.
Okay.
And then the state's also going to take into consideration NIMAG number 713316.
All right, Ms. Wells, are you asking the court to follow this agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right, I have a few questions for your client.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Jacqueline Wells. Yes.
All right, Ms. Wells, where have you been?
Have I been? I've been in Bear County.
No, I mean, you haven't been doing your probation. Why not? What's been going on?
I know last time that I came, I was supposed to be going to stative. That's what you recommended. And whenever I was waiting for my treatment bed in jail, Bear County, I wasn't aware that, I just got released without any paperwork. So I don't know.
And so you got released and you're, oh, happy day, I'm released and I'm just going to live my life.
Honestly, I thought that I had just gotten time served or something. I didn't understand why I just got released, but I thought that I don't know. I just know it wasn't stative. So other than that,
Okay. So I want you to be honest with me, okay? I'm looking at following this plea bargain agreement, but I want to know some things about you. And then, depending on what you tell me, I will probably give you a choice, okay? But the 10 months will definitely be one of those choices. So do you have any children?
Yes.
And how old are they?
One is 15 and the other one's 9.
Right, and where are they?
With the dads.
Okay. And was Child Protective Services involved? And what drugs have you been using since you were released?
Since I was released, meth.
Meth?
Alcohol.
Okay, meth and alcohol. It appears to the court that you have a drug problem and you need to have that drug problem taken care of. Otherwise, you know what's going to end up happening? The last time you use may be the last time you use, and then Your children will definitely not have their mother in their life. You still have a chance. Maybe if you get yourself together, if you get clean and sober, you may still have a chance to be in their life. But you must be clean and sober. And the fact that you were released accidentally or whatever happened, and you've been using, I appreciate your honesty telling me that you've been using. That tells me that you need help. So if you would like, I can send you to the state jail facility for 10 months. What's going to end up happening is you're going to go to state jail facility for 10 months. You'll do your time. You're counting off on the calendar, and you are going to get back out and you will use again. Or I can continue you, and I'll continue you, and I'll have you placed in an inpatient treatment, or either see if felony drug court would accept her or wants her. Have you ever been to felony drug court?
Mm-hmm.
Those are the choices I can give you. So if you want to do your 10 months, I will follow that agreement, but you know yourself better than I do, better than your attorney does. But based upon your track record, when you get out of jail or state jail facility after counting your 10 months off, you're going to go use. You're going to go be with whomever you were with before who's using with you. And you may end up dying from that. You understand? So if you want a chance to be clean and sober, to be the person you were meant to be, not the person who's picking up criminal cases, not the person who's using, then I will give you that chance to do that. So what would you prefer?
The chance.
Okay. All right. So what we're going to do,
Your Honor, may I?
yes.
So I just want the court to be aware that she wasn't actually let go erroneous or anything like that.
Mhm.
She was disqualified from status.
Okay.
So she had medical issues that prohibited her to actually go to status.
Yes.
So in looking at the case, the modifications were after status based on her previous NTR. This is her third NTR.
Okay.
So based on previous NTRs that we've had, the modifications the last time was to do status, and then after that, a felony drug court. So if Your Honor would like, we can just move forward with the felony drug court referral, see if we could get her the help that she needs.
All right. We're going to then, if both state and the defense are in agreement, I will deny the motion, alternate amend conditions. You'll be referred to felony drug court. You're going to remain in custody. And Mr. Stateson, if you can contact felony drug court and let them know that she really needs the help and she wants the help. But when they come in and interview you, you must really let them know that you need the help, because I know they're getting close to probably reaching the number of persons they can have there. Do you understand? All right. So what I'm going to do then.
And I apologize, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
It does state that she expires in July of 2024. So
We'll extend her. Yes. So I'm going to extend you, and I'm going to extend you for 2 years. But the nature of your case, it's not a case where if you complete everything that you can't be terminated early. And normally in felony drug court, if you complete everything and you complete their program, they will allow you to be terminated early. Terminated is not a bad thing on the criminal side. It's not like the
Early discharge.
yes, it is not. What's the name of the movie with Arnold Schwarzenegger?
Terminator.
Terminator. It's not the Terminator. So you will not be terminated, and that way will be a good way. So I'm finding violation of condition number 4 true. I'm going to extend her for 2 years, and we'll do a referral to felony drug court, and that's to take place while you are in custody. And if for any reason you get released, you know you're not supposed to be released. So if you are accidentally released or something is not right with the paperwork and they release you, you know what you need to do? Come straight to this court right away and say, Judge, I've been released and I know I'm not supposed to be released. Do you understand? All right. So this is your chance. You need to take it. All right. Is there anything else from either side?
No, Your Honor.
If she does not qualify for felony drug court, would you like compliance hearing?
Yes, if she doesn't, if she's not eligible, then bring her back here from the jail and we'll figure out what to do. And we'll keep Mr. Stetson, if you could make sure that you follow through till
Okay.
she's accepted.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Is there anything else?
Nothing, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, so we'll be back tomorrow at 9 a.m. for a jury trial. The court is calling 2023 CR 3412B, State of Texas versus Mr. Sierra. How do you pronounce your first name? Eliza. State of Texas versus Eliza Sierra. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Humberto Saldana for Mr. Sierra.
And are you Mr. Sierra?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Sierra, I'm showing you what's entitled application for community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We waive.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented
Yes, Your Honor.
on both counts?
Yes, Your, well, I believe the first count is with intent to deliver and the second count is just mere possession. So we're proceeding for the judge.
Unmute us. All right, state, are you proceeding on count one, waiving count two?
Yes, Judge.
Any objection?
No objection.
All right, Mr. Sierra, I'm showing you what's entitled court's admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand you're charged with possession with intent to deliver a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams? That's a first degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Sierra, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, state is proceeding on count 1. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at 8 years in the prison. There's a $500 fine. State recommends community supervision. There's to be judgment satisfied entered in county court for cause number 699061. You are to agree to have the weapon destroyed. And there's to be no possession of firearms while on community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the waive of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 8 years and there be a TAP evaluation. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offense as charged in count 1, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Your Honor, I submit State's Exhibit 1 in the attachments.
No.
Any
objection.
objections?
No.
All right, state, you may continue to confer.
Thank you.
Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, he is going to work once out there. He says that he is looking to get this all behind him. And he is asking for intensive outpatient treatment if possible, because he works so many hours. I know that the TAP will show that up, Your Honor. I just wanted to add that.
All right. So what do you do other than have cocaine and meth?
I do framing and construction cleaning,
Mhm.
and I have a business, clothing business that I'm trying to get off the ground,
Mhm.
and
And you're just doing drugs on the side, part-time?
no, just being foolish, Your Honor.
How old are you?
I'm 31.
I mean, how many years are we going to take this foolishness with us?
That's and everything happens for a reason, and being here incarcerated, you know, I've never really read the Bible and stuff like that, and I found that light in me now, you know, and I wake up more happy and everything now, you know. I'm ready to just take my life, you know, serious.
Yeah. What's your favorite verse in the Bible?
The Lord is my shepherd.
Oh, okay. Yeah. What verse is that?
It's Matthew.
What verse is that?
It's Psalms 23.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
It's my first time like really getting into it, you know.
Oh, no. I'm happy. Sometimes, you know, people will always say that people find Jesus at the jail.
Yeah.
Sometimes they do. Sometimes they pretend like they're doing. But I'm always interested.
Yeah.
For me, whatever helps people get through this journey we call life,
Yes.
that's a good
I
thing.
got 3 daughters and
Oh, what are their ages?
6, 7, and 8.
And who do they live with?
With both me and my girlfriend,
Mm. And who's your girlfriend?
Emily Colleen.
What were you doing with Samantha then?
That's my cousin.
So you and Samantha Servin were out with
No,
drugs.
I wasn't out with,
I'm sorry, what?
I wasn't out with nobody.
What? What is he saying?
He's saying that he was not present with anybody at the time of the arrest.
No, you were in the vehicle. What is he talking about?
That is his cousin that is mentioned in there.
All right. Is something wrong with him?
No, Your Honor. I believe that that's the only aspect that he sort of maintained was not accurate on the report. But he says everything else is accurate.
So you were not in the vehicle?
I was in the vehicle, but there's nobody with me.
Oh, so you're saying Samantha wasn't in the car with you?
I was by myself in that car.
No, they have S1 and S2.
Your Honor,
It says, based on my observations during my surveillance of the listed location and results of the traffic stop, we were able to detain S2, who was the subject of our investigations. We encountered S2's small children occupying several bedrooms of the home. Okay.
I was just drunk, I guess.
No problem. I understand. I'm going to need a PSI report on this. Ms. Ferguson, when can we come back? I need a TAP evaluation.
and I know it's a little unorthodox to ask, but would the defendant be eligible for a clear bond under the circumstances that he's already pled?
No, we'll see about a TAP evaluation, and maybe we can get the TAP evaluation done quickly. will it take long to have a TAP evaluation? Okay. Oh, thank you. So, Ms. Fergus, can we recall this back in 2 weeks?
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm just asking for a TAP evaluation so I can get an idea of what's going on.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have them come back on July 17th.
All right, so we're going to be back on July 17th. Mr. Sierra, you need to be very honest with what you tell them in the TAP evaluation because there's something going on here I'm not able to figure out because